Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we're going to make the most delicious, fudgy, chewy homemade brownies. This recipe is simple to make and the result is amazing. Before we get started, take a minute to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of melted butter, 4 beaten eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1 bag of chocolate chips. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix the sugar, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until the batter is moistened. Stir in half of the bag of chocolate chips. Spray a 9x13 baking dish with nonstick cooking spray or line with parchment paper and spread the brownie batter in an even layer. Sprinkle the remaining chocolate chips evenly over the brownie batter. Bake the brownies at 350 degrees for 25 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out almost clean. Remove them from the oven and allow the brownies to cool for at least 10 minutes before cutting into squares. I hope you love this easy homemade brownies recipe as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!